What's up? What's up? Good evening, all. Alright, let's put some music. Alright. Today should be a very good day. Alright, we're just gonna do some top-down analysis. Monthly on GJ is still very bullish. Weekly is bullish. We want to see if we could break that weekly top. Let's see. Are we arriving at a weekly resistance or anything? No. Our weekly resistance is right here. Let's just mark it out. Weekly resistance. Alright. Where could we find our support? Honestly, I feel like this is our support down here, 800 level, because we just haven't been able to break that level to continue back up. So I guess that's our support right there. Yeah, we haven't been able to go below that. In fact, we could actually readjust that to 900. Considering we have to keep in mind that it was a resistance, resistance, support, fake out, support. So it is a strong support, this 900 key level. Just mark it out. And this 400 level is definitely a resistance. Yep. Hey Ashish. Oh, what up? Alright. So okay, so we're coming into key rejection zones. Over here we rejected the 400 level, so we're gonna go down the time frames, right? So looking at the 1 hour, let's look at the 2 hour. Let's readjust our rejection level to right here, because as you can see we've rejected this level already one time. So what we're gonna look at is readjusting our support and resistances. So 300 is a key rejection, and yeah, so going down to the 1 hour, you can see that it's a key rejection. We have this area above us which is a little messy, but we got these clean candles which, you know, kinda did happen but didn't complete itself. So we'd be expecting for price to continue once it breaks the next top, to just continue all the way back up there. Yeah, if this candle closes the way it's threatening to close right now, I would get in, but oh, the 50-minute looks really bad. That doesn't have a lower or upper wick, so that's a dangerous candle to be trading on. $290 and $310. Yeah, so our zone is a pip. Here is this 30-minute rejection or whatever. So we're gonna wait to see how this plays out. And so we have just these key rejections along the way. Shouldn't be a problem, but yeah. Alright, let's wait and see. If this candle closes above here, we could probably take it. No, but I want to see it start breaking the 1 hour. That 2 hour is still open. 4 hour, the daily. Oh, the daily wick is right there. Okay, so we're heading into a daily resistance, so that's the problem. But we are rejecting this zone, so let's see what we can do. Speaking of opportunities we could have taken, looking down here, are there any opportunities we could have taken today? Going down to the 1 hour right here, if you can see this resistance, let me use this. Yeah, this resistance was formed, right? And the price closed above resistance. That means it's broken this level of negotiation and needs to go to the next one. So looking on the higher time frames, the next negotiation level is over here. What did price do? Price continued up. It continued up probably, say, what, 10 pips at least, 15 pips. It continued 15 pips. So firstly you would have been out somewhere around here at 10 pips. Price came back and retested in order to continue back up. So were there any opportunities to enter? I think this would have been the re-entry. The retest would have been the re-entry. But yeah, I think that was the only opportunity. What time was that? 8 o'clock. 8 a.m. Indian Standard Time was the opportunity. So if this 15-minute begins to break this candle wick stop, I think I will get in. But it still has 10 minutes, so let's see. Hey man, Sean. Yo, I haven't got a DM from you, man. I told you we could talk about it if you sent me a DM. Nice. Alright, Ashish and Sean. I hope y'all are listening, guys. These are very key things to trading. Alright, just give me a thumbs up in the chat if y'all are listening. Alright. I don't have an Instagram. Alright. No problem. Yes, I'm doing. Alright, that's great. Alright, no problem, Sean. Message me on Telegram, Sean. You'll find the Telegram link in I don't know if it's in my bio. One second. Go to my website. Click on the Telegram icon and come to and yeah, you can message me over there. Alright, so now we're gonna go to GBP USD. Ooh, GBP USD monthly, we're coming up into a resistance area. So this is a very key area for rejection, right? We want to make sure that we're safe. Look at that. This is a rejection zone which we've rejected again before. So let's just place the a line of resistance to just indicate it. Yeah, I think it's right here at 400. Yeah, that's at 400. That's a weekly resistance. All right, you see on how we're on the weekly time frame. We're gonna understand this is a weekly resistance. We're just gonna break it down completely. Okay, go to the daily time frame. All right, so daily time frame, we've been creating this rejection type of candles, you know. We've been rejecting this zone, so we need to find out why and what is happening in this zone. All right, so firstly we began to create a slight downtrend. All right, so as you can see, we're creating a small downtrend pattern, marking resistance and supports always. Okay, that would be for me at 400. All right, over here we have another resistance which we're trying to break up in order to come up to this next resistance. GJ, okay, yeah, that's not working out. Going to the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, this is looking really good for GBP USD to continue up at least till here, because that's the hourly resistance as of now, because we've broken this, right? So I'd expect with volume, if we close up here, to continue pushing right up there to, let's say, 142 flat. Alright, if we're not able to reach 142 flat, we know that we're having some problems right there, right? We're having some rejections there. People are maybe taking profits and getting out. But if we do have a really nice push, which I do want to have a really nice push on GBP USD, considering the economic conditions and everything. So let's see. Alright, let's see if we can get some really nice trades today. Alright, look at this rejection. Alright, so 700, yeah, and 680. So that's the region we're looking at staying above, right? So the potential buys are above this region. Potential buys above 1.41690. That's what we're looking at. And if we can get a good rejection to the downside, I would say below this level, we have clean candles going all the way down. So looking at the clean candles going down, I would say 420. 420, yeah. 420. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, we're gonna watch this closely. We have the 15-minute support right over here at 620. Potential sells below 620, but potential buys mostly above 490 or 690. So keep your eyes peeled. Bum, bum, bum. Because I think we have a good range down to them. Yes, we have a 70 pip range. We can get at least 10 pips we want to extract from the market. I will do it after you go off the live. Which streaming application do you use to do this, to go live? Yo, I use Streamlabs, mate. Sean. Alright, we're watching closely. 710. Alright, so we're waiting for price to close above 710, because as of now it's 710 is posing a threat to GBP USD. Let's look at gold. Gold looks good. Gold has been flying. Let's see, 1 hour. We break that. Gold has just been flying, honestly. There's literally no stop in it. Streamlabs requires some good specs, and yours will handle it. Oh yeah, dude, my PC will handle pretty much anything. Streamlabs is really good. I support Streamlabs completely. So as y'all see, it's always break and retest. So price is actually following really good market structure. What we need to keep in mind is we're in a super bullish market right now. So unless we start creating a bearish market, there's no reason for us to take sells at all. Only buys. Yeah, there's no bearish market at all. Only buys all the way to the top. Alright, let's go to GA. On the weekly time frame, we're rejecting this resistance. What is this? Okay, 200, 83, 200. That's what we've been rejecting, yeah. Going to the daily, yep, it's the same rejection. Daily support is down here. The support I think would coincide with, yeah, that. So another 200 level. Going to the 4 hours. This is our support at an 800 level. $730. I believe GBP AUD should continue in the downtrend. Alright, that looks pretty good actually. To continue back down. As we go to the lower time frames, we'll be able to understand why, what, where, you know. Yep, this was a pretty decent. Yeah. Okay, so GJ is closed back down there. You see the problem with that? If we create a lower wick and then start breaking up, I think we may be able to pull it off, because then this would turn into a support. So we need that to happen on the 1 hour time frame. GBP USD closed up there, so I'm gonna get into a trade right now. Closed up there, 10 pips stop loss. Alright, so I have placed my trade. 10 pips stops. Let's check the entry. 725. 725 with stops below it. At okay, let's have 10 pip stops. Alright, looking to hit our target of 27 pips up there. We're gonna be cautious at these levels. Alright. Yeah, mine goes with anything, bro. Which AMD processor? I'm using the 5600X. Hey, no, dude. Every day is a new day, right? Every day a new trade. Alright, every day it's a new trading day. We keep closing. This morning I called out some insane trades in the Asian session, which actually pushed really far. So this is gonna be my first take profits. I wanna capture this clean traffic. Alright, so we wanna capture the clean traffic. Entry at the break of the resistance, candle closure above resistance. Alright, that's our entry. And stop loss below breakout candle to respect market structure. Oh wait, stop loss. At 10 pips. Okay, breakout below the breakout candle to respect market structure. Yep. Alright, so now we're gonna start managing risk as soon as the trade starts to play out. Where is this? When was it created? Resistance created pre-London. Oh great, yes, I saw your stats. Yeah. So that's all, man. It's about grinding real hard and analyzing what you want to see. Like I said, GJ, if it starts breaking the top, can really push far. And the good thing is it didn't happen in the first 5 minutes, so I think 7 pip stops. I'll get in that trade when it starts breaking these top wicks. Or if it closes above 310. What is 310 a significant level? Yeah, it's alright. Let's see what happens. Right now we're 2 pips up in profit, okay? So we're gonna watch this GU buys that we've taken. Yo, Sean, if you're there, I'm using the 5600X processor. We're expecting GBP USD to continue pushing. But what we would want to also keep in mind is there's this support right over here which price is rejected in the past. If we don't see candles closing above this level, then we're gonna have to be very cautious. Because this could be a rejection point, right? So we want to keep all possibilities in mind. Let's see how much the 5600X. Yep, it's around 28,600 right now, man. You should go for it because I paid around the same price when it first released. Okay, we're watching how these candles are forming, right? We're making sure we're careful with our trade. We just need candle to break and push, which it has already done, so I'd be looking to reduce my risk once this candle closes. Actually, I'm gonna reduce my risk right now itself. I'm gonna bring my risk down below this candle at 3 pips, eh? Stop loss was initially here. Alright. Alright, let's see how this trade plays out. It's looking good. Your MB is 14,000. You also paid that much and bought. My motherboard, 14,000. I think I paid around 12 or something for my motherboard. I got a really good deal on it. Yeah, so we're gonna manage risk. If this breaks the previous low at 3 pips, we're gonna get out of this. That shows there's not much volume in the market right now, so we're gonna reduce risk now. As we can see, price is coming down on the 15-minute time frame. 5 minutes, yeah. Let's see what happens, because like I said, can you see the point I marked? It rejected that exact point. So that's what you have to keep in mind when you're trading. So reduced risk to quarter, brought it below the 15-minute candle. at 3 pips. So you see how we're watching this carefully and maintaining risk. We just need to be really careful because we don't want to lose money, right? We want to see how we can lose the least amount of money. So in risk management, what I teach y'all is we should have dynamic risk management. So dynamic risk management involves always letting your winners win big and your losers lose really little, like really small. You bought all these parts from MD computers like you said. Oh no dude, I have a dealer over here in Bangalore. Only the graphics card was bought from MD computers. And MD computers, no, graphics card was bought from Prime AGB. MD computers, I bought my cable sleeves, the white cable sleeves. Alright, so we're managing risk. Alright, my trade is closed out of here. Not yet closed. Now it's closed. So this trade is closed, but I will send the full breakdown on the group. So that's minus 3 pips. Let's go up. USD. That's GBP USD. So we want to watch how this candle closes before we attempt to take any more trades on this pair. Probably it'll be when this high starts getting broken. See, it's going right back where I called it. Let's see how the 15-minute closes in 1.5 minutes. Your table has good reflection of your PC because of the IKEA table here. No man, I built my table. It's a custom built table. Let's look at GBP AUD. GBP AUD. GBP AUD actually looks really good to continue. GBP USD is still over there. Anyway, so what happened over here? Rejection of support. Mm. Yo, it's alright, man. Sure, no problem.
Yo,
What up?
just got back, man.
No problem. You put some pics of your to your PC. You said I have and will copy to my system. Oh, I still haven't taken it out, man. 1 second. My dude, you're a heavy PC nerd, man. It's like, I don't know. Can you see? That's basically my PC. If you're looking for the full setup, I haven't even taken pictures of the full setup.
Doesn't mean go for another live explaining about your piece.
It's literally done. Learn only. Okay, that's good. Mm. Oh. Always journal your trades, guys. One day I'll do a video just for you, man, Sean. Also, Sean, are you into trading or what? Or are you just into PCs? Bum bum bum. On GJ we have this beautiful clean candle structure. Fora is bullish, that's the only problem. Ali It could literally just come down to here and go all the way back up. Yo,
What's up?
I just spoke for a really long time on mute, man.
Oh wow.
Yo, my bad, guys. How long have I been muted, man?
I have no clue. Last I heard you speak was asking him whether he's into trading or just PC building.
Okay, okay. My bad, guys. Alright, so. Where did I start? Um. Yeah, video soon for sure, man. Let's see. I can see that Google Speaker. Yeah, I just use it, man. It's just a home link for music, and if I want to call someone or something like that, it's really easy to do. It's not connected to the PC in any manner, but I do want to integrate it eventually. Around 5 to 8 minutes. Yo, I have no clue, man, Ashish. Let me just check the. I have like 200 songs which I just use. What I can tell you is the last one was Chiltronics by RKVC. Tell me if that's the one you're talking about. Man, I was muted all this time. Gosh. Yeah, the bulls and the bears. That's not a tiger, dude. That's a bull and bear. Bum 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 bum. Any trade ideas, Prani?
I'm looking AOD as a super clean candle, but I am not confident about it. It's still bearish.
Which one? GBP AUD or what?
No, sorry. Euro New Zealand.
Oh, you're in New Zealand.
Sorry.
Yeah.
AOD is stuck in my mind, man. I want to take a trade on that. AUD.
Yeah. Euro New Zealand, if this
Yeah.
break of this support, this makes sense. The super clean candle, right?
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. The only thing is, for me, Euro New Zealand has already moved really far.
Yeah, that's the one worry stuck in my head.
Yeah.
Otherwise, GU sells.
Yeah, GU sells once it breaks that, right?
Yeah, so I marked the 630 level. Is that good?
Okay, that's good. 630, yeah. For me, it's
Yeah.
620. But that's good, that's good. 630 level also is good. Because what we're looking for is candle closure, right?
Yep. And of course, GJ, which is always playing us, but hopefully we play it today.
Yeah, today we're gonna play GJ big time. So, this one, it should continue down.
Euro New Zealand, right?
Yeah.
Hasn't broken bottom wick yet. I don't know, man. I think it's pushed way too much. Everyone should be pulling their profits by now.
Yeah. But again, too much is never too much. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm 35 pips. There you go.
It really has to push, man, before it does. I'm up 3.5 pips on this, and stops are at break even.
Oh, you entered this trade.
Yeah, I entered on the 7.6, so up here. But stops are at break even. As soon as it hit 7.6, it'll be out. But by all means, this should continue down. I don't know why the market has such low volume. What is this DJ club music? Cologne. No, it's not the one you said, bro. Alright. Let me check. Then it's close my mouth silent partner. Check that out.
What?
It's close my mouth silent partner. That's the name of that song. Let's see if it could give us a nice push to the down. The gold cells look good. But like I said, there's no reason to be freaking selling gold at this point. I'd actually be interested to take some buys at this level if we see some good enough rejections. Right over there. Bum, 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 bum. It was ta 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 ta. What?
GJ is breaking resistance. I mean
Yes.
support. Support.
I'm gonna kill you. Get it wrong next time.
And when is the closure though? On the 15th.
Yeah. No, today's just not.
No proper volume.
It's been like this for a few days. Except for gold, nothing has been moving properly. But the what we called out in the morning was literally called it out before we went, man. It's the 1 hour low. The next candle will be a New York candle.
Yep.
That's interesting. Let's see how this candle closes so then we can anticipate. I like it when these flat candle body supports and resistances are created. GJ looks like it's gonna go.
Yeah. It's already going. We enter impulse though. No.
No.
8 minutes away.
It made sense though. GBP USD looks like it's lining up to drop. Oh, it may just drop, never mind.
Oh, Facebook ready to comply with the new rules of the government, dude.
What?
Facebook is ready to imply the new rules governing social media platforms in India.
Is
Oh,
that so?
They're just opening themselves up for more prosecutions.
Bruv, it's like social media just sold us out.
Yeah.
It is wrong once again, lol. It was Tata. Okay. Lol. No clue, man. Then. Oh, then before that, I should probably check. Mm, check if it was Carrie Betrin. Yeah, I don't know. I can't pronounce his name. Tell me if it was this one. I can like send it to you after this. Dun, 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 dun. Mm. Oh, I think today is like a break even no trade day.
Wait, we have so much opportunities.
Yeah.
Wait, we have so many opportunities here, right?
Yeah, let's see. The thing is the volume has to kick in. Oh, Geo is going for it. Bye bye.
Hey, it's gonna retrace, but wait for it.
mm, I doubt it, dude.
Even GJ is going for it.
GJS was gone, yeah. Six pips. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Ashish, was it the previous song I played? Lol. They're all retracing with massive wicks. Today is a no trade day. Let's see what happens at 5:30. Let's see. Okay, it's okay. Next time, next live, you can tell me. Because I then I have to sit and listen to all the songs again. I'll play the same set list for tomorrow, so you tell me when it's on. It's dead. We'll backtest some other pairs in the meantime. Euro USD. Only 7 pips. Man, Euro USD is shallow. Oh, that's going down. Australian USD also, the trade was really good. But if you notice, Australian USD doesn't give you confirmations the way we like it. Hello?
I'm here. 1 second.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I've entered the trade on GJ.
Alright. What was your entry? Candle close?
184. Yes, 15 minutes. Just setting the stop loss. 2 pips stop loss. That's all.
2 pips, huh? How?
Stop loss on the 15 minute.
Your it's above the breakout candle, 5 minute. So put it above the 15 minute. Right.
I didn't want to risk too much because of that retracement. Okay, yeah. From yesterday, it doesn't give more.
Yeah.
Yes. Not bad.
So this is trade called out by Gypsy King. That looks good.
Though no volume part kicks in.
The only problem is this big rejection wick.
Let's see.
You can reduce stops to above the 5-minute high. So maybe keep it at 4 pips maybe. Oh, Sam, the one you're playing, this is the one? Oh. Damn. Cloud Chaser Spence. You still in?
Yep.
Good, good. Hodl. Pum 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 pum. Hodl it. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see, this is a paper trade, okay? Or USD, AUD USD.
Now,
It broke.
new chart.
Yeah. AUD USD. Let's see if it works out. Paper trade. It looks good, dude. The trade looks good. As long as this 15-minute close is bearish, you're good. If it closes bullish, then it's bad.
Yeah.
Because then,
Bearish immediately.
yeah. So if it closes bullish, you'd bring the stop straight down below the 15-minute candle. So like, if it closes bullish, say, and the candle wick is over here, you want to bring the stop loss right above that candle wick, right?
Yeah.
Because if
Yeah.
the next 15-minute breaks that high, that means it's turning into a bullish market. So that's what you want to keep in mind. But that was on the 15-minute.
candle closed, it's going way too bullish. Yeah, no,
Yeah,
it
it's
looks
broken
low.
the 5 highs. So that was called from here. 3 pips. 3 pips stopped.
Yep.
Today is a relatively hard day to trade. Bum, 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 bum. For me, I didn't get into the GJ trade.
Was it because of the rejection wick?
Yeah, the wick was too big. Like that wick, the way it closed, right? 1 second. See, the way it closed show that there's like a rejection to this downside.
Alright.
So yeah, and also to keep in mind that there was like supports in this area. I think a good trade would be below this area over here. Where's it going? DOCD. What's up, DOCD? Sam Dio is my friend. I told him to like and subscribe. GG is my Dio. Okay, the retest is fulfilled on GJ. So Ashish, is Dio also interested in trading or what? Oh, Australia, New Zealand did the exact same thing. So that was New Zealand, something to do with the New Zealand pair suddenly getting really strong. CHF gave us good entries, but it took quite some time to fulfill those entries. He isn't. He has no interest. He doesn't know about this, I think. So you kind of just force them into coming here.
I have to join the gaming one, he might like that.
Huh?
Ask him to join the gaming channel, he might like that.
Yeah, join the gaming server. That should be more interesting for him. So Prani, your analysis was correct yet again.
Yeah, it was a retest though.
Yeah.
I
But
forgot it at
it's
the back.
yeah. It's okay. The way this next candle closes will determine a lot.
If it closes with a small rejection, can we enter?
If it closes with a small rejection, what I'm thinking, wait for it to make a higher wick.
A top wick.
Yeah, and then a
After that,
lower one.
we enter always like that now.
Yeah. Let's see. Because that will be the New York candle. That's the candle I'm expecting it to really push down on. But now if it pushes means...
That's what it does always, plus get pain in the butt.
Problem is it's right at these rejection wicks, dude. Right here. Let's see. I may give a small trade. One is Dio and one is Dino. Oh, they are twins. Only for subs. Yeah. Sub to the gaming channel, and also, yo, let them join Discord also. They can chill with us. You know, you also can chill with us on Discord when we chill there.
Okay, let's see. GJ looks good.
GJ looks really promising.
Topic comment.
Yeah, we need that top wick to form, or the trade is like kind of invalid.
Is this much of a topic enough though? A little more.
No, wait. Yeah.
What are you in?
No, not in. You see what I mean? This rejection area, dude. Trust me, you just want to wait it out, dude. Because it's the first few minutes of this candle. You get what I mean? I'll tell you what to look out for. This zone is just a BT. You don't want to get into this zone. You want to get in below the zone. Sure, we will come in. Oh wait. Two, one, let's go. Yeah. Freestyler. GJ is going all the way back up. You see what I mean? A retest of that zone and it's flying after that. I'm so hungry, I don't even know why. Oh, it's the usual hunger. I'm tired of Euro New Zealand, man. I closed at 3 pips. So that's minus 3 pips plus 3 pips. GBP USD, look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Today's a no trade day, yo. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's try.
Chat active. I don't see any chats in the chat thing.
That's us, yeah. Let's see if the chat box will work over here. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. This one only here. Nothing's coming up, right? Yo, Ashish, type a comment in, yo. Just type a chat in. Or wait, even I can send a chat. Oh wait, if I copy this.
Yeah, it's not working.
Bum 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 bum. Da 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 da. Yeah, it's not working. Wait, let's Oh, damn nice. I'm gonna copy that and put it over here. Nowadays, if you're noticing, New York is a lot slower than what it used to be. Do it.
Yeah, I'm listening.
You're alive.
Yep, just looking for more trades. Big sad.
Don't chase. Only if your setup comes, then let take it. All right. View account we were able to add. What's the jar? Or subscriptions, follows. Pum pum. Dun 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 dun. Mm. Mm. Alright guys, so we may call it a day. Let's just see. Let's wait. Let's just wait. See how this plays out. GBP AUD would close up there, but GBP AUD has been in this downtrend. So that'll be a little hard trade to take up there. Well,
Alright, dude, I'm gonna head out.
Yeah, same.
I'll come by in some time.
So.
Cool, I'll call you before I leave.
Done. Let me know, man, whenever.
Cool. See you.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, Ashish and gang. There's no trades, guys. We looked at a few trades, they didn't work out. Not a few trades. We looked at one trade, GBP USD, which I took in the beginning of the stream. Didn't work out, but we closed in -3 pips. As you all have seen, the winners are always bigger than the losers. Where 20 pips, 30 pips are concerned, and where -3 pips are concerned, it's barely anything. So that's the risk you're willing to take every single day with risk management, right? So you want to manage your risk, you want to keep your losers always really small and tiny, and you want to keep your winners real big, alright? So have an insane time ahead. I will see you all tomorrow, alright? See you, man, Ashish, and goodbye, chat.